Sephora recently had their VIB sale, so that's where you get 25% off if you're Rogue, and then I think if you're like the other, just like whatever it's called, you get 15%. I think, I can't really remember. I'm sorry, I'm bad at this. So yeah, I got some skincare, some Fenty, some new stuff. So I just wanted to do a haul of everything that I got. So if you're interested in seeing everything I got at the VIB sale, just stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so I guess let's start off with skincare. Yeah, I'll start off with skincare first and then go into beauty. My lips have been out of control at work. I'm literally in a basement all day, and the air and quality in the basement is awful. So I got 2 new lip products. I don't have the box for this because I already opened it. This is the Summer Friday. It's the lip butter balm. It's vanilla is the flavor or the scent, and this actually just recently came out. I have used it a couple times, as you can see, and so far I'm really liking it, but I just don't think it's any different from if you use like the lip mask by Laneige. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a lip sleeping mask. I actually wear that during the day because my lips are so chapped. It reminds me very much of that, so I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping this because it wasn't like life-changing, but again, I've only used it 3 times, so maybe I just need to like give it a fair shot. And then I got this overnight lip, it's Milk Makeup, which I don't have any of their products, so I was curious about this. It's a melatonin overnight lip mask, and it's an overnight lip mask that replenishes, hydrates, and calms, so you wake up to softer, smoother, more plumped looking lips. That sounds like everything that I need. I haven't tried this yet. So the packaging is pretty cute. Ooh, it smells like lavender. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm really curious to try this. I'm gonna try this tonight, I think. So those are the 2 lip products I got. Then I got another Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is literally my favorite face moisturizer, excuse me. I was using something else for a really long time, and I liked it, but I love this. It makes my skin like so moisturized. So it says, our Belief to deliver instant moisture explosion with Lady's Mantle Extract of moisturizing herb. This refreshing gel cream provides a weightless yet intensive hydration, and it really does. It leaves your skin like so hydrated. It's like my favorite thing. So highly recommend this. And then this is just a refill, the Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen. Ole Henriksen. I can't talk ever. If you've watched my videos for a while now, you know I mispronounce everything in the world. So, Banana Eye Cream. This is the best eye cream. I've been using this for like a year and I haven't gone back to anything else. It literally is the best eye cream. But this is something new. Glow 2HO Dark Spot Toner. I've heard so many good things about this. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, and evens texture. So supercharged with high potency AHAs, targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and smooth texture. Infused with sandalwood, chamomile, licorice extracts. It's gentle enough for daily use to retexturize, prepping skin surfaces, blah, blah, blah. Okay, there's a whole bunch of good stuff there that I'm not gonna try to say. As I'm aging, I'm starting to get these weird things on my face. I don't know if this will help with it, but if you guys have any tips on what would help with this. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like little balls of skin. That sounds so disgusting, but that's what it is. Like I keep getting them like randomly. Like I have some on my eyes, and at first I just had 1 or 2, but like this year especially I'm getting a lot more, and I don't know if it's something I'm using on my face or if it's just age. I'm calling them age face things. It's a great name. But that's what I'm calling them because that's what they look like or are. Anyway, I'm really hyper today because I really haven't had any human interactions this week, so like I am very hyper. Considering this a human interaction, even though I'm just talking to myself, but I'm talking to you guys out there. So yeah, just a little hyper. Okay, moving on. That was all the skincare. I feel like I like sped through that. That was kind of fast, right? Super fast. Okay, so moving on. I will move on to Fenty next because I have tons of Fenty. I got a refill of my foundation and concealer, the Pro Filter, the hydration one, and the concealer because the colors I have are more summery colors, and because I've not been in the sun for forever, I am using a weird color. I always struggle with foundations though because my face and my body are the same color. My chest and my neck are completely different colors, so I always look like I'm not wearing the right color. And I'm not gonna bring foundation like all the way down to here. Do you guys do that? Do you guys, because sometimes I watch videos and some people bring their foundation kind of far, but then it would get all over my clothes. So I don't understand how they're getting their clothes on like that. If you're putting your foundation all the way down to here. And then I've thought about also, I'm going on a tangent right now, but I've also thought about maybe getting like self-tanner stuff and putting tanner on my chest and my neck. I don't know. This summer though, I literally have a plan. I'm gonna put like a towel over my face and just like lay like this in the sun, and then maybe like my chest will then get like really dark and like get burnt, and then it'll like be the same color. What do you guys think about that? I got a mascara which I used today, the new mascara. I really like, I'm so into packaging, you guys know this. Love the packaging, super cool. I'm still debating how I feel about the mascara. I think I like it, I think. I don't really have lashes, so mascara isn't gonna do much for me because I literally have no lashes. I've never had lashes, they're just gone. It probably doesn't even, I didn't put fake lashes on today, so it probably looks like I don't have any lashes. That's how unlashed my lashes are. Super excited about these. So these are new. This is the new cream bronzer and the new cream blush. And I got the shade Macchiato. I hope this is my shade. I'm praying this is my shade. Ooh, I love that. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love it just because of how pretty it is. Like, it's so pretty. You guys see that? Obviously you see it. That was dumb. Why did I say that? Of course you see it, because I'm showing it to you. Duh. Okay, so I got Macchiato. I'm just going to... it might be too light. I might have to go one shade darker. That is so frustrating, but I'm still going to give it a shot. And then... the blush, ooh, I love this packaging also. Oh my gosh. I got the shade Strawberry Drip. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait. My next video is gonna be using this. So cute, right? That looks really cute. I know you can't see it on me, but what else did I get? Oh, she came with a new brush. So this is a face shaping brush. Plush, angled brush, seamless diffusing for cream and powder formulas. So I'm going to use this when I try out the blush and the bronzer. And then, oh, I went ahead and got Sunstalker. This is in Caramel Cutie. Caramel. How do you guys say it? What is the right way to say it? So this, I think, is my summer shade though. So I don't know why I bought this in this shade. But... ooh, I forgot about how cute this packaging is. I got this too. Oh yeah, this could work, I think. Maybe. We'll see. If not, I might have to exchange both of these bronzers. I hope not though. And then last but not least for Fenty, I got, this is the Diamond Balm, but which I love her other Diamond Balms. I have like all of them, but this is in Cognac Candy. So that's what this packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, I have to put this on now. I love putting highlight on my cheeks, like this, and I swirl it around like this. I think Jaclyn Hill does that. I think that's who I got that from. I don't know. I don't even watch her anymore. She used to be like my favorite. I'm really like all over the place in this video today. I'm gonna put some on this side. We already had highlight on, so it's kind of like, wow, I really like that. This is so pretty. It's just so pretty. I can't wait to use this like on its own. I saw the prettiest look today. Someone used it like as eyeshadow, so I might copy that. I got this YSL It's a velvet cream matte stain. I haven't ever used YSL at all. I don't know why, but this just this got my attention. I don't even know. Oh my god, my camera's about to overheat, of course, because that always happens. Oh my gosh, look at that red, you guys. Wow. That's a pretty red. I can't wait to use that. That is really pretty. I need a new camera. What camera do you guys use? Let me know down below, because this is about to overheat. This always happens. Either my camera dies or it overheats. I have a Sony A5100. I think this should be used more for like taking pictures, because it's really great with pictures. I think the quality is good, but it overheats and dies so fast, and it's just really annoying. So I only have 2 more things. Hopefully I can get through this before my camera turns off. This is Silk Canvas by Tatcha. It comes in the liquid form now, which I'm so excited about because this is one of my favorite primers. And last but not least, I just got a beauty blender. That's all I have. Right? Isn't that all I got? I felt like I got so much more. I guess this is a lot of stuff. I'm like, oh, it's not that much stuff. I got like 15 things. That's a lot. But I just, you know, never go wrong with beauty blender. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed buying it. And I'm gonna enjoy using everything. So, of course, you'll see me use these products in any of my videos coming up. I think I'm just starting to lose my mind a little bit, you know, being inside, just stuck inside all day, being a quarantine cutie. Bye everyone, have a great day.